You're going to love the 2004 Infiniti G35. This two-door, four-passenger coupe has just over 80,000 miles. Infiniti made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. All of the premium features expected of an Infiniti are offered, including front and rear reading lights, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power front seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Infiniti ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.